Today is day 3 for our sneak peeks. I'm super excited to share the next collection that we'll be releasing on March 1st. These will be in your box of the month, and I will have some boxes available on the 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. Shop early for the best selection. This is the perfect box to bring a smile to anyone's face. I am calling this the Yummy Box. Yesterday we shared the strawberry collection, and today we are sharing the peach collection. We have watercolor peaches, we have a very cute stamp set called Peach Perfect, and Peach Perfect Ephemera. So let's take a look at the stamp set first. I will have the coordinating die to this stamp set listed on the website on the 1st. We have a girl with a beautiful braid. We have a bowl full of ice cream and peaches. We have a peach cupcake, standalone peach. The sentiments: a little treat for someone sweet, sweet as a peach, thank you. Peach Perfect wishes, life's just peachy with you. So really fun. Watercolor peaches, I love this paper. The paper pads this month are gorgeous. So we got a cute little stripe with little peaches on top. So adorable. On the back, we got an alcohol ink looking background. A watercolored gingham. A little peach grove scene. A little floral. Really pretty. And then this sheet here, really pretty, with the girl in the beautiful hat. You can cut this down and use her on a card, make a bag out of this, all kinds of ideas. This is a really cute design. And then we've got some peaches and butterflies sitting among the peaches. Here's another print, sort of similar. Ooh, I love this one. That's really pretty. The fun little dots. Love this pattern. And then another set of peaches with the stems. Love it. So fresh. Love those colors. Peach and green together. And then we've got the Peach Perfect ephemera that coordinates. So the ephemera and the paper will be available for separate purchase on the website. The only way to get the stamp is to get the box. You can subscribe to our box of the month or purchase it as a one-time purchase. When you subscribe, you get 18% off. You'll see that discount pop into your cart. You'll get your box delivered to you every 30 days from the date you purchase. So if you like your box on the 1st, you purchase on the 1st, you will get your April box on, your April box will kick out on the 1st, and I will ship that soon after. So we got some really cool ladies in here with peach themed dresses. Cute little bear holding a peach grove. All right, I'm going to play some music as I speed through this. Okay, so there's all the ephemera. How cute. I really love this girl, so I am going to color her. Come back tomorrow at 1 o'clock Central Time. I'll be sharing the next peek of the Paper Pad Club of the month and your stamp and die of the month. Since I'll be coloring with Copics, I'm going to stamp in Memento Tuxedo Black ink. For the skin, I have E13, E11, E00, and E000. I'm going to play some music while I do the coloring. Meet me back on the other side for a finished card. Okay, my girl is done. I'm gonna frame her in an oval. I'm gonna fit this sentiment right here. For a finishing touch, I'm gonna add one of the ephemeras. So I'm gonna add this little butterfly here in the corner. And I popped it up so I could kind of flip up the wings for a dimensional look. And then I'm going to get some enamel dots. We have all kinds of colors in the shop. I am going to use from the Spring Bliss collection this really light peach color. Okay, so that finishes today's card. I hope you enjoyed that. Meet me back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time for another peek. We're going to share the Paper Pad Club and the Stamp and Die of the month. And I'll give you some updates on the Stamp and Die of the month if you join me tomorrow. So thanks so much, guys. I'll see you then. Bye, guys.